Welcome to this new task script tutorial, section number 2, junction box connection and discovery. So now that we have just installed our studio, we want to put it at work, and in particular we want to uh, enable us to communicate with our junction box. So the junction box, as you know, must be connected to the Ethernet via an Ethernet cable, and in order to develop it, and only for development, not for production, of course, we need to connect it via USB cable to our PC, which is the PC on which TaskScript Studio is running. I have already done it, so I have everything ready here on my desk. But first of all, I want to show you how to make sure that everything is set up correctly. So let's go to the View panel, Settings, and so first of all, Serial Interface, which is here already. Okay, Discovery is good, and USB New is the right choice. So everything is already done. For the network interface as well, we need to have Ethernet selected here as the physical interface, and for the subnet we need to have 192.168.1.255. So everything looks good, and we just confirm it. So we are going to issue our first discovery command. Discovery command is an operation which the TaskScript Studio uses to know if and which junction boxes or other PLC devices are connected around it in order to be able to interface to it. So we issue the discovery command via this icon here. Of course, all the important commands, all the studio commands are available from the menus, but the most usable have been listed here in this taskbar. So let's issue our first discovery command and see what happens. Send discovery, and not surprisingly, this window comes out because the discovery command runs the hightalk-ip.exe executable, which is part of the TaskScript Studio suite, which is the discovery agent. So this agent will send some UDP packets over the network, and our firewall will ask us whether we want to allow it or not. Of course, we know that it is our program, it is not malware, and so we will allow access. Notice that if we don't allow this access, nothing can go ahead, so we are not able to run discovery and to communicate with the junction box. Okay, so by the way, the studio has already finished because it timed out, and in this case no discovery was okay. But first of all, let's confirm this allow access here. We close this because it has timed out, and we issue another one, hopefully with good luck this time. Okay, here we go. So this is the discovery result. The discovery list for each and every discovered PLC. Now it has just I only have one junction box here on my desk, so only one is discovered. So it says that the running model is test hware, this command here, which was built in this date. The license number, so the serial number is this one. Also the model of the junction box is this, and so on and so forth. A lot of useful information. Okay, so this is good. So far, so good. We were able to run our first discovery. In order to do so, we had to allow our discovery agent, which is named hightalk-ip.exe, to run. This is important because firewall, which usually runs on the PC, blocks every program which was not authorized. So we have to grant this authorization first. Well, I think that this is it for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will open our first task script program, which by the way is the one which is already running on the junction box that you have received, and so we will see what happens. Okay, thanks for watching.